On April 9, 2025, President Trump dropped a trade bombshell, slapping China with a massive 125% tariff on imports, effective immediately. This escalation in the trade war followed China's retaliation, an 84% tariff on U.S. goods, hitting back hard as of April 10th. Meanwhile, Trump pulled back on tariffs for over 75 nations, dropping them to just 10% for the next 90 days. India, originally facing 26%, now enjoys this lower rate too. The move pauses higher tariffs for most, opening a window for trade talks, while isolating China in this economic showdown. A bold strategy unfolds. What's next for global markets? Stay tuned.